The Penampang Javelin Man of 1960s. Written by Emmanuel Francis Tende Howe. George Abah, a figure of quiet charisma in the 1960s, was often described by those who knew him as a gentle soul with an indelible smile and an unwavering calm. His presence at St. Michael's Secondary School in Penampang left a lasting impression not only on his peers but also on the broader educational and athletic community. While pursuing his studies, George demonstrated an extraordinary aptitude for javelin throwing, a sport that demanded not only physical strength but also precision, focus, and an intuitive understanding of motion. He earned the prestigious title of school javelin champion, recording a distance throw on the measuring tape as over 140 feet. His success, however, did not end in the confines of his school grounds. George's athletic prowess brought him to the stage of the Kota Kinabalu Open Sports event, one of the most anticipated competitions in the region during that era. These events were more than mere contests, they were vibrant celebrations of athleticism, uniting athletes from across the districts around Kota Kinabalu in a spirit of camaraderie and competition. The javelin throw drew large crowds eager to witness the feats of young athletes pushing their limits. George, poised and composed, stood out among the competitors. With a blend of technical skill and raw determination, he delivered a performance that made Penampang proud. The weight of George's record lingered in the memories of students and teachers alike, often cited as an example of what perseverance and discipline could achieve. However, the passage of time eventually introduced a new chapter to George Abah's story. In 1970s, another athlete named George Saluku, also hailing from Penampang, emerged on the scene. Like his predecessor, this second George carried the same name and perhaps a shared spirit of tenacity. In a dramatic turn of sporting history, he surpassed the famed 140 feet mark, ending the long-standing reign of the original record. George Abah's story is more than a tale of athletic triumph, it is a reflection of the values that underpinned a generation. His gentle demeanor, contrasted with the explosive power of his throws, painted a portrait of a young man who balanced grace with grit. Decades later, his name continues to resonate in Penampang and Kota Kinabalu, a reminder of an era when sports were a celebration of community, excellence, and the quiet determination of individuals like him.